Hi, welcome everybody. Today is Thursday, February 1st. I'm going to give a little tour of walking down the hallway and then so you guys can see the classroom. So as you can see, there's the driveway section. So we're going to take a walk, come down here. This should look familiar if you saw the school tour, but this time we're going to go all the way back. So there's the court. We usually play basketball whenever we're done. Didn't have time today. Stayed up here till just about 4:30, 4:45, and then went and toured the house and apartment that we're going to be moved to next week when the other family shows up. So I don't know if you can hear the music, but there's still some teachers here cleaning and working on their classrooms. And pretty much we are at the end of the road. Down here at the very end, so they put all of us rowdy English teachers. So there we go. We got these because generally we leave the doors open and open up windows. So here is the classroom. Usually when we're here during the day, we have all the windows open. We get a nice breeze. So we have, I believe, 24 desks and chairs and all that. We don't have any bookshelves yet, so all of our extra stuff is over there. I've been cleaning, so it's not perfectly set up yet, but I share with Cesar. He teaches English for the younger kids. You know, we got the welcome sign, and then there's my desk over here. Been cleaning up, and here is my little deal. I had originally put up there Brian, but was told that they prefer the kids call us by our last names with Mr. or Mrs. or Ms. And so I just put up a couple of Nicaraguan flags and made the school symbol, and then Texas flag and Ireland flag. And so this is just all of that glittery, sticky, not felt, but foam pads, and the previous teachers and other supplies that were left were there for that. So that's pretty much the classroom. We have a projector, the HDMI plug is over there, so it's pretty cool. Like I said, this is the classroom. Our open house for school is this Saturday in the afternoon. The kids and their parents will be here, and then Monday, February 5th is the first day of school. So hopefully by then I've figured out how to teach and what books we're using. So hope you enjoyed the tour, and thank you for watching. Bye.